Luke 2:10. But the angel said to them, "Do not be afraid. I bring you good news that will cause great joy for all the people." Hey, oh my gosh, I haven't done a video in so long, so I got purple hair now. Anyway, I am doing an unboxing. I got something from Amazon. Oh, I'm so excited. And I just realized I literally just got in from work. Got my work badge. And I'm super excited because I got some nail polishes from Makartt. I've been all about my nails lately, as you can see here. I'm working on them. These are about 2 weeks in. So you can see that they're going out. Anyway, so let's open up the nail polishes from Makartt. You can see here. Bubble wrap. Beautiful. Oh. Let's see. Makartt. We've got the Makartt Gel Nail Polish Kit. Super excited. Here's with the LED. Here it says, avoid direct sunlight, avoid inhalation in contact with, kind of hard to avoid inhalation because you're gonna breathe it in. Store in a dry, well ventilated place with sealed preservation. Well, you want to seal it and everything, so that's cool. It's a really nice box here. Let's get it open. Get it popping. Oh, all right, so it's got a little plastic thing here. Let me see if I can get that cut. I should move the thing down so you can see me do this. Bird. All right, come on, I don't want to mess up the box too much. And voila. Yes, voila. It slides out. Oh, there's some stuff sliding out of it. This. There's a little paper thing that talks about the nail set. Looks like it has some information on applying the nail polish. I've only used Model 1 gel polish so far, so it'll be interesting to try a different brand. I'm assuming they're all the same. Ooh, this box feels soft. Ooh la la. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, look at that. Ooh, and it's open on both sides. You can see here. It is sort of a soft foamy kind of thing here, and other stickers are tiny, but they have to be small to fit on your hands. So we've got this set of Christmas stickers. I mean, what do we got, like 2 weeks worth of Christmas left, but it's still fun. The whole thing was about $19. I think it was on sale, I'm not sure, on Amazon. And so these are all the stickers, lots and lots of stickers. How fun is that? Let's see what else is in here. I'm excited to try some of these stickers. Plus I think they'll be fun for my niece, like for just wintertime stickers in general. I don't know if you can see that. It's beautiful. That's gonna be so gorgeous on my nails. That makes me want to redo my nails right now. I'm gonna be taking my mom's nails off. Are we repeating ourselves yet? I don't know. I thought there were some Santa ones in here. Let's see. Come on, darling. Oh my god, I know you guys want to see the colors. But I'm super interested in these stickers too, because how cute is that? Oh my goodness. So tiny, so cute. So that way if you don't have like a really big nail, oh, there's little snowflakes in there too, and it says Merry Christmas. Oh, I'm so doing this all over my nails, on my sister's nails. And you can use the snowflake and the snowman ones after Christmas too, which is cool. I think they're just repeating themselves here. Wah, wah, wah. Yeah. These are kind of repeating. You might have 2 of each one, which is really neat. So here are the colors that you get. It's and let's see. So we should have 6 colors and a top coat and a base coat, which will be fun. So I'm gonna go ahead and put, super excited about these. I didn't have any like holiday colors in that purple. You see my hair, you see my lips. I like the purple. I like the lavender and the purple. But it's also fun, it has like the red and green for the holidays too. So I am gonna step away for a second and find a piece of paper or something to put them on so you can see what that looks like. And I'll be back. All right, so we're gonna see, rolling up my sleeves, la 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 la. I am so excited to see what these colors look like. So, like I said, they're in this nice foam container. They're not It's open on both sides, but they're not falling out, which is cool. Nice and sturdy. So we're gonna pop out the first one. That just jumped out of there. And this is the Soak Off Gel in white. Did they say anything specifically? No. You know, I never know if you have to shake gels like this. Let's see if we can get it open. Ooh, should have tried this off camera. Hello. Hold on. Okay, there we go. Ooh, that's. I just wanted. I turned it around so you could see, because I wanted to see how thick or thin it is. The white is very thick. You can see me here. Oh. It's white on white, so you're not going to see that as well, but we'll get to some of the other ones. That is very thick. There's a slight odor, but it's not bad. It smells like nail polish, I guess. Not as bad as regular nail polish. Okay, the next one looks like it's the red color. These just have numbers. There's no name, so this is number 412. And I'll have a link to the kit that I bought. Oh, so look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. Look, can I see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? So we're gonna do the red. How gorgeous. Oh, look at that shine. Look at that in there. It makes me want to change my nails right now. The other one was 411. This is 412. I'm just gonna leave them out. Here's the green. I don't know if the green is flat or. Oh my goodness. Okay. Dude. Come on. Okay, we're gonna go to gold. We're gonna circle back to the green. Okay, we're gonna pause. Pause. And we're back. I got something to try to open it up with. One of those jar open. Oh, yay, it worked, it worked, it worked. I guess I should check it out. Here's a question. Do you need to shake up? This is the gold. Oh. Oh, look at that. Oh. Yes, yes. Okay. I will stay up all night and do my nails. Let's see if we can get that green open with our little thing. I think this is made to help you open up jars. It does the trick. This is the green. The red, I'm just, oh. The red and gold. Look at that. That's green. Ooh, it's very evergreen, like Christmas tree green. Love, 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 honey. Excuse my nails too. I'm like, I feel like my hands are ashy. I should have looked at that before. Okay. Ooh, child. Ooh, child. Here is the purple. This number is 414. Can you see this? I'm still pretty new to this, so I'm trying to. I'm gonna have some help. Help me. Help me with this. Okay. This is the purple. Oh, see, this is more iridescent. The other one is kind of frosty. Like, it's gorgeous. It's gorgeous nonetheless. But like, see the difference between these two? That one's got like the gold shimmer. That's more of an iridescent. Still beautiful, beautiful. Ooh. Okay. And last but not least, it's like a royal blue. We're gonna take this out of here. And then, I don't know why I'm trying to open it up on my own. I need help. And this is the 416. Again, these are the Makartt Soak Off Gel Polishes. Look at that. Oh, mamacita. Look how gorgeous that is. Love. Love, love, love. I don't know if you can see in there, but just beautiful, beautiful. All right, so I'm gonna cure these and then see what they look like after curing. Looks like they're red soaked into the paper. I'm gonna put a little more red down and then I'll come back and cure. This is funny that the white and the other colors didn't soak in so much. Okay, curing and then I'll be right back. Hey guys, so I'm just gonna show you up close what these gorgeous colors look like that come in the set. So you can see how they look. Isn't that gorgeous? I can't wait. I feel like the camera doesn't do them justice, but look at that sparkle and that shine. Ugh, so beautiful. Hey guys, so I just want to show you what it comes with. So it comes in this beautiful box here, and we got the base top coat, base coat, and we've got white, red, gold, green, like a deep purple, and that midnight blue. And this is not doing the deep purple justice. And then there's 12 stickers. They're all different. Nail stickers. How cute are they? I'll turn them right side up. Just super cute. Reindeer, Rudolph, presents, snowmen. So really nice set. I'm super excited to try these.